Okay.
Look, Molly's
Yeah,
biting her ring.
Don't think that's it.
That's on your head, Molly. Oh, you funny buggers. Look, she's sticking her head under her. Maybe she wants to play like this. Candy, you're a weirdo. She's trying to play, but she doesn't know exactly how it goes. And Molly just wants to fuck. But smaller. Making this sound. Wow. Well, everyone is happy now?
Candy, what are you doing? Get out.
Molly, nobody is fucking you. You know that.
She's
It's
fucking
just...
you, honey.
Oh, now she's fucking me. Okay, enough. Enough of silly games. Molly and Candy are all weird. Candy wants to play and Molly wants to fuck. And who is fucking who? I already don't know. I think Molly can fuck anything. What is it? Brain? Okay. Brain sounds alright.